Okay, this model is another our hot sealing model, our DS8F, and this model is also my favorite, maybe because of the attractive orange color. This model sells quite well, and we almost need to pack this model every week. And the crimping range of this model is 1/4 to 2 inches. But some of our customers like this model, but he requires to crimp up the crimping range up to 3 inches. That is also okay. We also can customize for him. Just like I said previously, our factory also can customize the crimping range, the voltage, the pump, the angle of the crimper, and also the paintings, and even our Henghua brand is widely known all over the world. But some of our distributors may like their own logos very much. That is also okay. So just if you like your own logo, please just let us know your logo. We also can print your logo. Hello, my friend. Welcome to our live show.